Watch and subscribe.
Thank you.
Is it beautiful out here or what? We're out rock picking. I don't know if we can get all these in our truck, but
Look at this. We're in the White Mountains in New Hampshire.
beautiful. Little covered bridge we had to go over. Truck fit under there.
If it was summer, you just want to jump right in. Look
Yeah.
how clear it is.
Yeah, the water is just clear as they get. So I'm gonna
Here we are this morning at Lafayette Place Campground in Lincoln, New Hampshire. Still heading on our way to our end destination, which I'm not going to reveal yet. But this is a beautiful campground. We got this really nice spot. And I'm cooking Jayrod some bacon and eggs. He's not up yet. We both got up really early. It was still dark out. He went back to sleep, but I decided to stay up. We have a really nice fire going here. Boy, it's just beautiful here. And you can't see them right now, but we are surrounded by these really big mountains. So anyway, I'm just enjoying the morning, and it's been a long time since we camped. We've literally camped 3 nights in a row. So it's been a long time since we've done that, and this morning I woke up freezing, but it's really peaceful and really enjoyable to do this, and just sit. I did my prayer this morning, which was nice, thanking God for everything, and just looking forward to a really good day. So we're pulled over on the side of the road, still continuing to our destination. But right now we're still in New Hampshire, and we're at a beautiful lookout point with a bunch of mountains, and it's fall, and it's just really pretty.
what they call it? Peekabee? Peekabee?
Peek-a-leaf? Peek something. It's where you go and drive around and do a
Leaf
leaf peeking. We were just talking to a couple, and they're doing
Natives stay here.
leaf peeking, where you go just to a bunch of different places in this area and look at all the foliage.
Yes, supposedly the leaves are in peak right now in this area.
Yes,
Peak leafy.
peak leafing.
Peak leafy.
We are at,
Shore Hills Campground.
yes, in
Oh.
Booth Bay, Maine. And so we're going to stay here for 2 nights because we have something cool planned tomorrow. Today is Thursday, October 7th.
Yeah, it's Booth Bay, but it's really Mud Bay right now. We're at low tide.
Yeah, we're at low tide, but our campsite is on the water when it's high tide. So it's
over
really
here.
cool.
Hello.
There's our tent.
Yes.
that's been serving us well. This will be 4 nights straight in a tent.
4 nights.
Taking it up and down every day, but it's been worth it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like it.
Yeah, we really like it. And we've been having nice fires. Here's another one. Oh. What the heck? It's not kidding. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. There's our nice fire.
And her finger.
And my finger in the way. Anyway, we're really excited to be here and we have cool things to show you. Stay watching till the end. Thank you. So here we are in Booth Bay Harbor and we're getting on a boat charter to go see whales, dolphins, stingrays, seals, and maybe sharks. It's a 3.5-hour boat ride and I have always wanted to come to Maine to do this.
Hopefully a gorgeous mermaid.
Yeah, maybe. So it's 3.5 hours and Maine is known for, in this area, for seeing whales, and the season runs from March to October. In fact, today is Friday, October 8th, and the last charter for doing this is Sunday, October 10th. So we made it just in time. So let's hope that we find some whales and some cool stuff, right?
Right.
Yep.
Yep.
So thank goodness Jayrod did this with me, right?
Yeah.
So we're excited. And then we're going to walk around this Booth Bay Harbor because there's tons of stores, food. So we're excited about doing that too after.
Okay.
Jayrod says I'm always too shaky, so he just grabbed the phone.
All right.
We're on the boat. Anything to say?
The boat is wet.
What do you mean it's wet? Not where we're sitting.
No, but the bottom is.
Yes, the bottom's wet. Good observation.
Hopefully we see some whales.
Yeah, we're so excited. Let's see. So here's a shot of some of the shops. It's really cool down here. Lots of little stores, places to eat.
she is in all our glory.
Mm.
We're leaving Maine this morning after our bust whale watching. But, you know, we had to try.
Yeah.
So no whales. There was some whales, never close to it.
We never got any footage.
I never seen any.
I never seen any.
But they, you know, one breached on the other side of the boat, I guess. But that's it. So we're on our way back to Wisconsin.
And today we're gonna head towards scenic Route 6 in Pennsylvania and shoot across that way toward home. So today is Saturday, October 9th, and we need to be back home by Monday at the latest.
Yeah, well, when we get there.
You gotta fly to Florida. You gotta head to Florida.
Yes, I'm heading to Florida without my wife.
All by his lonesome.
Mm-hmm.
He'll miss me, I'm sure.
We'll see. There's beautiful. Get out of the way.
What?
Get out of the way. I want them to show them my truck.
Give us a huge thumbs